Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel UG Multech. In today's video, we will dive into the world of NX CAD Sketcher and explore how mastering it tools that can lead to a more accurate and efficient design creation. So friends, we have already discussed the introduction part in the last video. You can go and watch it. We have discussed all the ribbon balls, tools, resource bar, etc. Now we are going to start with the sketching tool. These are the basic sketching tool we are going to start. So friends, those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe to get latest videos and updates. So friends, let's start with our today's tutorial. We will see the basic sketching tool which are essential for any CAD designer. Okay, so I am going to close this one, our old part file. Now I am going to start with our new part file. So I am going to click the new tab, this clicking model, and it is asking for name and folder location where I want to keep it in that way. I am clicking OK. Now you can see we are in the modeling environment. Okay, now we are going to click the sketch tool. So friends, it is asking for a plane. Which plane you want to? You want to XY plane, or you want to ZX plane, or you want to make it in YZ plane. It is up to you. Okay, basically mostly we are going in XY plane. We are doing that, right? So I am clicking this one, XY plane, and clicking OK. Now friends, we are in the sketching environment. Okay, the first point will be profile. This is a profile tool. This is a continuous line tool. In any direction you can make it. If you want to make an arc, just click this one. Arc will, you can make an arc also. Okay friends, the first one will be our profile. This will be for start and end. It is asking for a start and end point, and it will be continuous line. Okay friends, you can see there is an auto dimension. If you want to keep them, you can keep them, or you can switch off them. Later I will tell you how to switch off this auto dimension. Friends, now I am going to show you the radius. The first point, last point, and if you want to give any radius, you can give automatically. You can drag it, the radius will appear. Okay, and this automatic change into line. I hope you all understand about this one to profile. Friends, now I am selecting all this one and I am going to delete it. Okay, so we can learn other tools. The next will be friends rectangle. There are three ways you can create a rectangle. The first one will be start point, end point. Okay, so we see this one first. It is asking for a start point. This is the start point. Basically it is asking for a width and a height. Okay, this is the end point. This is easy. You can create rectangle, start point and end point. Basically it is asking for a width and a height. The second will be our 3 points. First point, second point and third point. Basically it is asking for a width and angle also. Okay, first point, second point and a third point. Basically this is used for any angular case. Okay friends, this is the second method by which you can make angles. I am going to select this one and delete it. Now the third point will be, it is asking for a center, width and a height. It is asked for a center point, it is asking for a width and a height. How much height you want to make? This is the third method. You can make it, the rectangle. Okay friends, I hope you are all clear about how to make the rectangle. I am going to select this one also and delete it. The next point will be friends the line. This will not be a continuous line. First point, second point, it will end automatically. It will not make continuous line. Okay, you can see start point, end point. In the profile you have seen the line will be continuous line. Okay, but in this case you can see it is asking for a start point and end point. So this is all about line. So points, friends, we will move to the next point. I am going to select this one and going to delete this one. The next point will be our radius. There are two ways to create it: first point, second point, and third point. Okay, first point, second point, and third point. And how much radius or angle you want to create. And the second one is, friends, first point, and you can give the radius. How much radius you want to give, it will create. Point, second point, and the radius ID. See, 120 radius. Friends, so I hope you are all okay with the radius toolbar. Friends, now I am going to select all this one and I am going to delete as well. So we can move to the next tool. The next tool will be important one. This is a circle. It is asking for a only center point. Okay. This is asking for a center point and a diameter. Suppose I want to make 125. I keep 125. Okay. Now circle is made. Any number of diameter you can make. Okay. Now I want to make it only 50. Keep enter. Okay. You can see 50 diameter circle is being made. Okay, friends. Since I am going to select all this one and going to delete, so we can proceed for the next tool. So the next will be a 3-point circle. For that one I am going to make a rectangle, triangle. Okay, now we are going to select the circle and select this one. You can see it asking for 3 points. If you want to enter in a 3-point circle, see, you can make it. Okay, if you want to make outer one, you can make it 1, 2, and 3. You can see circle around 3 points. 1, 2, or 3. This is all about our circle tool. So friends, I want to select this one and delete so that we can move to our next tool. Our next point will be in our tool will be after circle is points. It is asking for specified points. Okay, any number of points you can create. Okay. So friends, there are various tools available. We have discussed our profile, rectangle, line, radius, arc, circle, points. Okay, we will discuss other tool in our upcoming videos. Please practice this one. And as I told you how to switch off the auto dimension, so you have go to the file, then preference, then sketching, preference. You can switch off this continuous auto dimension. Okay, friends, click apply. The auto dimension will be disappear. Okay, if you don't want, you can, if you want, you can keep them also. So friends, this is all about our basic introduction to the sketching tools. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please like, subscribe. There are a lot more content coming on your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.